Assalamualaikum class 2. I hope you all are doing well. So today for our lesson we are going to start this book, which is Oxford Progressive English by Eleanor Watts. Come to the page number 2. Our first unit is family and friends. In the unit 1, lesson 1 is about listen and speak. Its first part is about listen and write the numbers by the names. So we have to give the numbers to all these family members, but before that we have to read this lesson. So the lesson 3 is about sharing, and its text is cartoon type. The first part of it is about listen as you read the story, then answer the question. So you guys have to listen it very carefully, then you can answer the questions. So the question above the picture is, what is Dada doing in picture 1, 2, 3 and 4? Why is Fiza sad in picture 8? Let's have a look of the picture 1. You can see here is Dada, here is Mama, here is Fiza, here is Samir, and here is Ali. Why Ali is lying on his bed? So let's read about it. It is Eid. Uncle Umar, Auntie Farida, and Samir have come to stay for a week, but Ali is unwell. So guys, all of you have known that what is Eid. We all celebrate Eid as a Muslim because on Eid we all get dressed up and then celebrate Eid. So here Uncle Umar, Auntie Farida and Samir have come to stay for a week. So here they are coming for their stay for a week. But Ali is unwell. Ali is suffering from a fever. Mama asked Fiza to welcome Samir and be his friend and then play with him and share your things. You guys will also share your things with the friends who will meet you in your class. So Fiza said, "Yes, Mama, of course I will." Fiza agreed. So Fiza said, "Yes, I will share my things with him." So through this picture number 1, we can sort out our previous exercise with the help of this picture. So let's go back to that exercise. Yes, this exercise in which we can recognize some of the family members. So on number 1 is Samir. Where is Samir? Here is Samir. Number 6 is Ali. Ali. Here is Ali. So Dada on number 9. And then Fiza on number 10. Then Mama, here is Mama on number 4. So we have to write here number 4. Next picture number 2 is, in the morning Mama makes some nice snacks Fiza wants to share with Samir. So Mama has made some breakfast for both of them. So and Fiza wants to share her breakfast with Samir. She said to him, "Would you like a samosa?" Samir, good sweets. Samir agrees. So in number 3 picture, you can see that Samir is snatching something from Fiza. So let's read about it. Samir eats his sweet, then he takes Fiza's sweet too. I don't like samosas. Who is saying that? Yes, of course, Samir is saying that. But I'll have your sweet. Ha ha. Samir is teasing Fiza and snatching her sweet. So in picture 4, you can see the naughty expression of Samir. He is going to tease Fiza again. So let's read about it. In the afternoon, the children go into the garden. Would you like to play with my skipping rope, Samir? Fiza is asking Samir to play with her skipping rope, but Samir said that, "No, I don't like skipping. That's a girl game, but I'll have your teddy." So Samir is saying that I don't like skipping rope, but I'll snatch your teddy. So here's the picture number 5. You can see that Fiza is running to catch Samir, but Samir is running so fast. So full. You can't catch me, said Samir. Please be careful, said Fiza. So Fiza is saying that please be careful, that because she is saying that her teddy bear is in Samir's hand. So now the picture number 6 is, oops, your teddy is in the tree, ha ha. Samir is again with his naughty expression saying to Fiza. Fiza is reacting, oh no, the poor teddy is on the tree, and now Fiza is so tensed. Picture number 7, you can see that it is evening and Samir is again teasing Fiza. In the evening, Mama gives a glass of milk to Samir and to Fiza. Samir said, I'll have that milk. It's my milk now, ha ha. Fiza is saying, but you drink your milk, that's my milk. So you can see that Samir all the time is snatching all the things of Fiza and teasing all the time her. So he is not a good guy. As you can see here in picture 8 that Fiza is lying on her bed and she is very sad. So why she is sad? Let's read about it. That night Fiza lies in bed. She looks at the stars. She is sad. I want to be Samir's friend, so she wants to be Samir's friend, but he don't like me. What can I do? She is very sad today. Come to the B part, which is complete the sentences using these words. We have the word bank given above, so we have to put these words in these 3 filling the blanks. So we can take help from these pictures. In picture 2, it is morning. Yes, it is morning. You can see that in picture 2, it is morning. The sun is shown in the window. In picture 4, it is dash. So we have to check that in picture 4, what was the time of the day? It is afternoon. So we have to write here, it is afternoon. In picture 7, it is evening. So you can see that here in picture 7, it is evening. And in picture 8, it is night. So you guys can see that there are stars on the sky. So it is night. Now come to your homework. This is your homework. These are all the answer questions. The first one and the second one is done for you. Does Mama ask Fiza to share with Samir? Yes, she does. Do Fiza's family stay with Samir's family? No, they don't. You have to answer it in just short answers. Do Samir's family stay with Fiza's family? You have to answer this. Does Samir eat Fiza sweet? Does Fiza want to drink her milk? Does Fiza feel happy when she goes to bed? You have to answer all these questions on your notebook.